So I'm going to show you how to clear cache on your MacBook Neo. If you have too much cache data, it's going to slow down your laptop. So what you need to do is go to Finder. With Finder open, you want to click on Go at the top there, and then select Go to Folder. And then you want to type in this URL. This is going to be empty by default. So you want to go ahead and paste this. I'm going to leave it in the description so you can just copy and paste it on your computer. And then hit enter, and that's going to open the cache folder inside your MacBook Neo where all the cache files are going to be stored. So what you need to do is just press Ctrl A to select everything like that. And then you want to drag everything to the trash release. That's going to clear the entire cache folder. And then now you can close that. And then now when you go to the bin, right click and select empty bin. That's going to just completely delete all those cache files. And now you'll notice your MacBook Neo should run a little bit smoother and faster. Thanks for watching. Good luck.